Hey guys, welcome back to NoLogic. Today we'll be doing a camera app comparison test. So basically what I did is that I went onto Google Play Store and I downloaded many camera apps and I tested them out. These are the apps I used: GCam, a better camera, simple camera, HD camera, footage camera, ProCam X Lite, open camera, camera MX, one S10 camera, one HW camera, and the Samsung default camera. Without further ado, let's jump right into the camera comparison. Let's go. Firstly, let's look at picture 1. It's a brightly lit condition. All the apps here did a great job in processing this bright image. I looked at all the small details within all these pictures and concluded that the simple camera won this test. Now let's move on to picture 2. This picture has a dark foreground and a bright background. A few apps such as the GCam and the One S10 camera focused mainly on the sky and made them very clear. However, I think the Samsung camera will win this test because of its overall image quality. Let's move on to the next picture. In this picture, we have a very bright subject. Most of the camera apps did very well in capturing the image. However, on the ceiling texture right next to the LED, it wasn't very clear. Once again, the Samsung camera wins this test as the texture of the ceiling can be seen very clearly. Let's move on to the next picture. In this picture, we have an evening scenery. In some pictures, the trees are very dark, and in other pictures, the lights in the background are very bright. The One S10 camera did best among all the other cameras as it had an equal balance of clarity between the lights and the trees. Let's move on to the next picture. In this picture, we have a bright background and a dark foreground, which kind of creates a bokeh effect. The GCam, the One S10 camera, the One HW camera, and the ProCam X Lite didn't do a great job in focusing on the leaf. The other apps did a better job in focusing the leaf, and I think the Samsung camera wins this test because of its overall image clarity and quality. Now let's move on to picture 6, where it's a picture of a building at night. In this picture, the footage camera and the simple camera had a lot of grain and noise in them. The Samsung camera and the camera MX did great jobs in capturing this image with high quality. And I think the camera MX wins this because of greater detail in the leaves of the tree. Now let's move on to picture 7, where I took the picture in extreme darkness where my eyes couldn't see anything at all. In this picture, camera MX did a good job in taking a clear image of the fire. However, the GCam with night sight enabled completely destroyed all the other cameras because it could actually see everything. The winner of this round is obviously GCam with night sight enabled. Next, let's move on to picture 8, which is portrait mode. Only the GCam and the Samsung camera had a portrait mode functionality. The GCam wins this test because the subject was clearer than that of the Samsung camera. Now let's move on to picture 9, which is a selfie. All the apps did okay in capturing this image except for the Samsung camera. The picture was a bit yellow in color. The GCam wins this test as the clarity of the wall behind me is much clearer. Moreover, it did not lose any detail on my face. Last but not least, let's look at the video quality. It is pretty obvious that the Samsung camera won this video test as its videos were very vivid and had the best stabilization. Finally, let's look at the winners of this camera test. The Samsung camera got first place by getting 4 points. The GCam got second place by getting 3 points. These cameras, Simple Camera, Camera MX, one S10 camera got 1 point each and are in third place, and all the others are worse. So don't download them. In conclusion, I think downloading an app for photo taking is not a good idea and should usually stick with the official inbuilt camera app. However, I do recommend downloading GCam as its portrait mode and night mode were magnificent. However, the GCam is not available to download on the Play Store. You have to search it up on Google and download the APK, which is perfect for your mobile device. Comment in the comment section down below if you want me to make a tutorial on how to download the GCam for your phone. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's the end of today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.